Are you ready to move beyond just creating presentations and start delivering them like a true professional? If you're looking for ways to make your presentation more dynamic, interactive, and stress free, you are in the exact right place. Now, if you have been following this channel, you might remember our deep dive into creating amazing presentations from scratch using Gamma AI. In that tutorial, we covered everything from setting up your account, navigating the dashboard, generating content with AI prompts, customizing themes and layouts, to even polishing your old PowerPoint presentations. If you missed that, the link is right up here and in the description below. It's a perfect starting point. But creating the presentation is only half the battle, right? Gamma AI isn't just a creation tool, it's a powerhouse for delivering those presentations too. And today, we are unlocking 5 pro tips that leverage Gamma's native presentation features, unique capabilities that you won't generally find in any other tool. These tips will help you engage with your audience, maintain your flow, and present with unmatched confidence. Ready to transform your delivery? Let's get started.
Ever struggled to remember what you wanted to say during a presentation? Gamma has you covered with AI powered presenter notes. Simply click this note icon on any card and look at what happens when I click the generate button in the notes panel. Gamma's AI instantly analyzes the content of your card and creates concise, relevant talking points. No more staying up late writing speaker notes. The AI picks up on key concepts and creates perfect prompts to keep your presentation flowing. Of course, you can edit these AI generated notes to match your personal speaking style or add additional context that only you would know. What used to take hours of preparation now happens in seconds. One of my absolute favorite features in Gamma is the presenter view, your private command center that your audience never sees. To access it, enter present mode by clicking here, then click the presenter view icon. Now look at this powerful interface. You can see your current slide along with a preview of what's coming next. So there are no surprises. Your presenter notes appear prominently here with adjustable text size, perfect for presenting without squinting at small text. And check out this thumbnail strip of all your cards. You can jump to any part of the presentation instantly if needed. This dual view setup eliminates the awkward moment in traditional presentation softwares where you have to break eye contact with your audience to check what's coming next on your screen. Time management during presentations can be stressful, but Gamma has built a subtle timer right into the presenter view. Just click the play button to activate it. The timer discreetly shows how much time has elapsed since you have started presenting. No more glancing at your watch or phone. For important presentations with strict time limits, this feature is invaluable. You can pace yourself perfectly without the audience even realizing you're watching the clock. If you want to make sure your audience focuses exactly where you want them to, Gamma Spotlight feature is like having a virtual laser pointer. While in present mode, click the Spotlight button or simply press the S key on your keyboard. Watch how it highlights one element of your card at a time. I can move between elements using keyboard arrows or just by clicking. This is perfect for walking through complex diagrams, emphasizing key points, or guiding your audience through detailed information step by step. It's like having a built in focus director for your presentation. Here's something you absolutely cannot do in PowerPoint or Google Slides: make real time edits to your presentation without disrupting your flow. In present mode, if you want to modify something on the fly, you just need to click this edit button or press the E key. Now you can make changes to the current card without exiting the presentation. Watch what happens when I realize I need to expand on this point. I can use Gamma's AI to quickly enhance this section, condense the text that's too long, or even create a visualization, all while my audience sees a polished presentation. When I am finished with my edits, I press done and seamlessly continue presenting. These feature is a lifesaver when you get questions from your audience that require you to adapt your content in real time, or you notice something that needs adjustment during your talk.
And there you have it. 5 game changing pro tips to elevate your presentations using Gamma AI's native presentation tools. From leveraging AI for your speaker notes, mastering the presenter view, keeping perfect time with built in timer, focusing attention with the spotlight, to making edits on the fly without breaking a sweat. Gamma AI truly equips you to present like never before. These aren't just fancy add ons, they are thoughtfully designed features that address common presenter challenges, allowing you to connect more deeply with your audience and deliver your message with clarity and confidence. All these incredible tools are waiting for you to explore at gamma.app. So ditch the old clunky presentation methods and step into the future of dynamic delivery with Gamma AI. If you found these tips helpful, please give the video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on tutorials designed to boost your productivity with AI. Have you tried presenting with Gamma AI? What are your favorite features, or do you have any questions about the tips we covered today? Drop them in the comment section below. I love hearing from you, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep building the future.